So students, our next video is on image formation by convex mirror. So convex mirror, as you all know that you can see the reflecting surface is outside. So let us keep object outside at infinity. So the ray which is at infinity will come parallel to principal axis and it won't come inside. So what happens? The ray will tend to come on principal focus. So join join F and this point and then make a straight line. Similarly, straight, join and straight, join and straight, join and straight. Okay. Ray coming from principal axis will go back in principal axis. So what is position of image? At infinity. Image formed tends to form at F. It doesn't actually form, but it tends to form at F. Size of image, as you can see, very small image is formed. So point like or highly diminished. Nature, virtual and erect. Why? Because the real rays are reflecting, they are not meeting. The extended rays are meeting. Correct? So this is the first case. Second case, in the second case the object will be placed closer to the mirror, say A, B. One ray parallel to principal axis from B will tend to pass from focus, but it will get deflected, and another ray will tend to fall on center of curvature. And that ray will also be reflected in the opposite direction. So the image formed will be at this point between P and F. So in the second case we will write position of object behind mirror, position of image between F and P, size smaller than object. You can see this is object and this is image, so it is smaller. Here it will be A dash and B dash, virtual and erect. Okay, so image formations is complete.